research. So every time something new comes out, I need to understand it. So I'm a Vivid Archive user, and almost machine learning research is one of the frontier areas where Archive got really adopted fast. So every new paper is coming out on Archive also before it's actually getting published at the venues.
So,
Yeah,
so I'm going to press pause there for a minute because for
yes.
people outside of computing science, I'm including myself in that. What do you mean by archive?
So it's basically a preprint that you can where you can submit your paper. So machine learning research, the biggest venues within machine learning research, you can go in and look at the indices within Google, are these big conferences, and
Yeah,
they have conference papers. And these conference papers are normally 8 pages long, etc., with a large appendix with all the proofs and theorems and all of that.
yeah.
Archive, you're allowed to within the machine learning community to preprint and publish that preprint on Archive, and that's giving
Okay.
such a motion to the machine learning
Yeah,
environment. So thereby you don't have to wait for the 8 months or whatever until your paper gets out, but it gets out
yeah,
immediately. So a
yeah.
paper can already get really popular before it's actually presented at that conference, and that is giving speed. It also
Okay.
gives the problem or the risk of getting a lot of noise out there. But I think, in all honesty, I think that noise is combated by the conferences being really good in their review processes.